As induction cooking experiences surging demand for its efficiency and speed, even busy typists and gamers are upgrading their kitchens for faster meal prep between sessions. Finding compatible pans requires precision. This guide evaluates top cookware options based on magnetic base efficiency, switch type, multi-layer build quality, functional set layout, and long-term kitchen value for home cooks.
Product number 1. Carote 26-piece pots and pan set non-stick cookware sets, induction kitchen cooking set, special texture design, ultra-durable, easy food release, even heating, with frying pan set. The Carote 26-piece cookware set offers an expansive, all-in-one kitchen overhaul designed specifically for home chefs who want maximum versatility without breaking the bank. Having evaluated hundreds of cookware sets over the past decade, I find this set's inclusion of a specialized textured surface to be a game-changer for daily cooking. This micro-textured interior creates tiny air pockets beneath your food, enhancing non-stick release and ensuring delicate ingredients like eggs and fish slide right off the pan. Constructed with an enlarged, heavy-gauge magnetic stainless steel base, each piece in this 26-piece collection interacts seamlessly with induction cooktops. Heat distribution is remarkably swift and uniform, eliminating hot spots that lead to scorching or unevenly cooked meals. The non-stick coating is engineered for ultra-durability, resisting scratches from daily silicone and wooden utensil use while remaining 100% free of PFOA, lead, and cadmium. The set layout is thoughtfully curated, offering a comprehensive array of frying pans, saucepans, stockpots, and kitchen accessories. The ergonomic, heat-resistant handles provide a comfortable, secure grip, making maneuvering heavy pots effortless. Cleanup is practically instantaneous, requiring little more than a quick wipe with a warm, soapy sponge. For large families or anyone starting fresh in a new home, this massive set delivers an unbeatable blend of volume, non-stick performance, and induction compatibility.
Product number 2. Carote 16-piece pots and pan set, non-stick cookware sets, titanium reinforced coating, scratch resistant, easy to clean, even heating, induction compatible, with frying pan set. For those seeking a highly resilient, mid-sized cookware collection, the Carote 16-piece set stands out through its advanced titanium reinforced coating. In high-heat cooking environments, standard non-stick coatings often degrade quickly. Carote solves this by fusing titanium particles directly into the non-stick matrix, resulting in a scratch-resistant surface that stands up to heavy daily use while maintaining effortless food release. On induction hobs, the high-conduction magnetic base ensures rapid energy transfer, heating up significantly faster than traditional aluminum-only cookware. Whether you are searing proteins in the included frying pans or simmering delicate sauces in the saucepans, the even heat distribution prevents hot spots and preserves flavor integrity. The dural cast aluminum body offers substantial rigidity without adding excessive wrist-straining weight. The 16-piece collection strikes an ideal balance between daily practicality and storage footprint. It includes every core vessel necessary for daily cooking, alongside matching heat-tempered glass lids and essential silicone utensils. The sleek exterior aesthetic adds a modern touch to any cooktop, while the non-stick properties make oil-free cooking and subsequent cleanup remarkably easy. If you want ultra-durable, scratch-resistant non-stick performance optimized for induction efficiency, this titanium-reinforced Carote set is a phenomenal mid-range investment.
Product number 3. Carote 21-piece pots and pan set, non-stick cookware sets, with egg pan, induction kitchen cooking set. Durable, easy food release, fast and even heating, with frying pan. The Carote 21-piece cookware set brings specialized functionality to the modern kitchen, notably featuring a dedicated egg pan along with a fully loaded suite of pots and pans. For breakfast enthusiasts and meal preppers, the inclusion of a specialized multi-sectional or dedicated egg pan makes cooking single-portion items and morning meals remarkably efficient. Built with a bonded magnetic stainless steel disc on the bottom, every pan in this set connects efficiently with induction hobs, providing instant thermal response when you adjust your cooktop controls. The granite-derived non-stick interior requires minimal oil, promoting healthier cooking styles while ensuring that food releases effortlessly without sticking or tearing. Heat propagation across the cooking surface remains stable and even, avoiding the frustrating cool spots found in cheaper alternatives. The construction prioritizes user-friendly ergonomics, featuring cool-touch wood grain or Bakelite handles that stay safe to hold during cooktop operations. The glass lids feature steam vents to prevent boilovers, while allowing you to monitor cooking progress without losing heat. With a broad mix of everyday skillets, covered saucepans, and a generous stock pot, this 21-piece kit offers extraordinary practical value for home cooks who appreciate clever, task-specific cookware tailored for induction speed.
Product number 4. All-Clad D3 Stainless Steel 10-piece cookware set. Made in USA. Includes frying pans, saucepan, sauté pan, stockpot. Professional grade, oven safe and induction compatible. For serious home cooks and culinary enthusiasts seeking heirloom grade quality, the All-Clad D3 Stainless Steel 10-piece set remains the gold standard of induction compatible cookware. Handcrafted in the USA, this professional-grade collection features All-Clad's iconic tri-ply bonded construction, an encapsulated aluminum core sandwiched between 2 thick layers of durable stainless steel. The magnetic 18x0 stainless steel exterior ensures flawless high-performance induction reactivity across all cooktop surfaces. Because the heat-conducting aluminum core extends all the way up the sidewalls, not just across the base, heat distribution is unrivaled. Sauces reduce evenly without burning along the edges, and proteins achieve an exquisite restaurant-quality sear. Unlike non-stick coatings that eventually wear down, raw stainless steel provides an indestructible cooking surface that handles high-heat searing, deglazing, and oven baking up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit with ease. The 10-piece layout focuses on essential high-utility vessels, 8-inch and 10-inch fry pans, 2-quart and 3-quart saucepans with lids, a 3-quart sauté pan, and an 8-quart stockpot. The classic contoured stainless steel handles are permanently secured with heavy-duty rivets, offering a secure, comfortable grip during pouring and tossing. While requiring a higher upfront investment, All-Clad's exceptional build quality and lifetime performance make the D3 set a true lifetime purchase for any induction kitchen.
Product number 5. Cuisinart Stainless Steel Pots and Pans Set, Induction Compatible. 12-piece MCP12N. 12-piece Cuisinart Stainless Steel Cookware Set with saucepans, sauté pan, stock pot, and skillets. Oven safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The Cuisinart Multi-Clad Pro Stainless Steel 12-piece set, MCP12N, offers professional tri-ply performance at a fraction of the cost of high-end luxury brands, making it one of the absolute best values on the market today. Utilizing triple-ply construction, this set features a pure aluminum core wrapped in brushed stainless steel. The magnetic stainless steel exterior ensures total induction compatibility while resisting discoloration and corrosion over years of use. Heat distribution is exceptionally fast and even, eliminating hot spots across the entire interior surface. The interior mirror finish cooking surface won't react with acidic foods like tomato sauce or citrus, ensuring clean, pure flavors every time. Oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, these pans transition seamlessly from induction cooktop searing to oven finishing, giving you complete culinary flexibility. The set's thoughtful design elements elevate the overall user experience. Tight-fitting stainless steel lids lock in moisture and nutrients, while tapered rims allow for clean, drip-free pouring. Cuisinart's signature cool grip handles are riveted for permanent stability and shaped to stay cool on the stovetop. Containing 2 open skillets, 2 covered saucepans, a covered sauté pan, a steamer insert, and an 8-quart stockpot, the MCP12N delivers premium tri-ply stainless performance for budget-conscious home chefs.
Product number 6. Cuisinart Chef's Classic 11-piece Stainless Steel Pots and Pan Set. Cookware compatible with induction, electric, gas cooktops, aluminum core for even heat, cool grip handles, dishwasher safe. Rounding out our review list is the Cuisinart Chef's Classic 11-piece stainless steel set, a versatile and easy-to-maintain collection engineered for high-volume everyday cooking. Unlike fully clad tri-ply cookware, the Chef's Classic series utilizes an encapsulated aluminum base, meaning an aluminum core is impact bonded into the stainless steel bottom. This design focuses rapid heat distribution right where induction energy meets the pan, preventing hot spots and ensuring quick boil times. The 1810 mirror-finished stainless steel exterior offers a bright, classic aesthetic that looks right at home in modern kitchens. The smooth interior surface provides an ideal canvas for browning, searing, and simmering, and it is completely non-reactive to ingredients. Furthermore, this entire set is dishwasher safe, saving you precious time when cleaning up after elaborate weeknight dinners. The 11-piece set provides a well-balanced layout, including covered saucepans, an open skillet, an 18-centimeter skillet, a deep sauté pan, and a multi-purpose stockpot. Cast stainless steel cool grip handles stay comfortable on the cooktop and feature wide helper handles for extra leverage when moving heavy pots. If you want a dependable, easy-to-clean stainless steel set with an aluminum encapsulated base optimized for fast induction heating, the Cuisinart Chef's Classic delivers exceptional practical value.
Selecting the best induction cookware depends on your personal balance of non-stick convenience, material durability, and budget. Whether you prefer the easy release of Carote's specialized non-stick sets, the indestructible American craftsmanship of all Clad D3, or the incredible value of Cuisinart's stainless steel collections, upgrading to induction-ready pots and pans will transform your everyday cooking speed and temperature control. Choose the set that fits your routine and enjoy precise, efficient cooking for years to come.